Welcome to the channel, guys. Bullets Garage. Today's video, we are gonna go and drop off the Lexus GSF so we could get that fixed and repaired. So as you guys know how this got damaged, I've had the video up of that. If you haven't seen it, go back and browse the channel and watch the video. Today we are dropping the car off at Gerber Collision to get it repaired. So as my wife's friend came out, gave me a general look at it because she's an adjuster. Then I had my insurance company come out. The guy adjusted the car. He originally quoted it at $3,900 for the estimate of the damages and repairs. Both doors need to be painted and the fender to make the paint blend. Doors getting replaced. I'm not sure how they're gonna go about dealing with the vinyl wrap that I have right there, if they're gonna paint the fender. So we're gonna drop it off. I'm gonna ask the adjuster there, Becky, to send me pictures along the step of the way so I could see what's happening with the car. This rocker panel needs to be replaced. Door, I ordered new side skirts, so those should be coming. I will do those on my own. I'm not gonna wait for them to get the side skirts because it's gonna be over a week for them to come in. So I'd rather just do it on my own time and have the car back. So let's go ahead and take the battery charger off because I haven't driven in a few days. Get a quick cold start and head out. I'm gonna miss not hearing that for a while.